Hello friend, this is Alan from Addenda Chemical. So now I'm at China Addenda lab. Here we have the 3 labs. One is for the synthetic material, the second is for the chemical analysis, and the third is for fire and smoke, test lab. So now the 3 labs, the size is more than 2,000 square meters. And in this lab we have 53 technicians, including 4 PhD, and now it's 18 master degree, and the bachelor degree percent is more than 90%. So now I'm in the fire and smoke lab. You just follow me. I introduce you what we have in fire and smoke lab. So in the fire and smoke lab, they have one small office. After the office, we have, see here, this part is mainly for the sample preparation. I will share you later. And first, I introduce you about the FR and the smoke test. So for the especially FR and the smoke test, you see first we have this trunking tester. Yeah, this trunking tester is used for the mainly for the wire cable to check whether there is the compound, whether there is the electrical leakage or not. The second, for the FR and smoke, we have the LOI tester, limited oxygen index. This is also one of the most popular use FR test tools, test tools for the keyboard wires. And we follow the standard ASTM D2863. If you check here, we control the flame height as per the standard, that is 16 millars and decrease 4 mm. And also for the glass tube, this glass tube as per the standard, the diameter should be 7200 mm, and here it should be 40 mm. And you may note also the sample, because actually it's not required. The sample required should be 18 mm, but we can also cut it down because it don't require that much length. And the sample, the thickness is 3 mm, and the width is 6 mm. You may also note that actually we have 2 glass tubes. The reason for this 2 glass tube is after this burning, suppose it is heat here, then we change one to guarantee that the test is accurate. And this is for the automotive internal. This is as per the FMV SS302. Actually, this is a horizontal burning test. You see they done some test. So what the test is, they have the 38 mm9. So they will check what is the, as per the burning time and all the self-extinguish. They will check what is the test test result finally they give. And this is for the glow wire tester. This is mainly for the engineering plastics. You see they have the sample with different thickness, 0.8 to 1 or to 1.5, 1.6, 2 mm, 3 mm, different thickness with the different temperature, maybe 750, 850 or 960. This is mainly for the engineering plastics. And so here we have another machine. This is also an important tester for UL94. You see, UL94 for get the test. You see some test is doing here, so they will check it is like HB or V1, V0, V2. This result. So here, this part is for the upholstery. This is the main standard is BS5852. So like the clip 0 to clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, clip 5, clip 7, 6 and 7. And this, you see this, they done some test. For this is clip 5 test before they done. And this is NFPA 701. This is for the PVC tent and tarpaulin. They have measure 1 and measure 2. Suppose the GSM is more than 750, so comes to measure 2. Here another, this is a vertical burning test for the coated fabric. This is a test plate here. You see the lighter is here for the vertical burning test. And here we have two this NBS chamber. NBS chamber, this mainly is used for the standard ASTM E662 or ISO 5859. So this is one smoke tester. This is to check the SDR as per the standard ISO D2843. Many India companies, they also use this SDR to check the smoke density. And here we have one quite good machine. This is a cone calorimeter. So by cone calorimeter, we can check the heat release rate as well as the total heat release. Cone calorimeter is also one of the most accurate tester to identify the flame and also the burning process. So here come to the sample making. Here we have one machine. This is for the UV, and the UV. So how many hours after the UV? What is the result? They will get it. And this is one. This is two machine. This is a crunching machine. This crunching machine is suppose customers give us some big sample so we can crush it. After crush it, there's one extruder here. So they fill here. This is the feeder. Then they will extruder and then they make the sample like this. You see, like here, this sample, this is for the eye rod impact. This is for the tensile strength check. So this is the automatic, they will make it. So here we have one drying oven. Drying oven, the temperature is from 0 to 200 degrees centigrade. Now the set temperature is 180. Some samples here, and this is constant temperature and the humidity chamber. So we normally maintain the temperature like around 23 to 25 and the humidity around 50. Like the LOI sample, as per the standard, they need at the condition for 16 hours. After the chemical is stable, then they do the LOI test. So this is a color controller. This is to check the color difference. And here this is a thermal stability tester, which we specially purchased from India, because we know many customers in India and like Middle East, they also use this type of the thermal stability. So to guarantee that we have the same test result, so we purchased one from India. And this is one tensile strength regarding the physical property. And there is one like this is the check the density. Yeah. So this is the check the hardness, shell A, shell D, hardness tester. And you see here we prepared some sample. Actually, this sample is making from here. So we have one twin rolling machine here. So what we can do is we can make the sample by ourselves, and then there's one compression machine. So we can make the sample here and test it. So this is I think by this roller machine as well as that extruder. So what we can do is we can provide customers some customized formula design, which it is the most suitable for the customers with both the performance as well as the cost. And there is where they prepare the sample. Okay. So here we also make the film. We also supply the FR for the film. So this is one film casting machine. The film casting machine, we can control the thickness from 0.05 to 1 mm, and the size is 200 to 220. Something you see, this is I think some film sample they make. Okay. So this part is for the, we have one, this lab is for the artificial leather and also the coated fabric, including like the PVC, like the PU, like the microfiber, as well as the acrylic resin. So what we do, first we use different chemicals and raw materials. We will blend here, they will blend here, then they can coat in here. So for example, they put the fabric here. So we have this type of the tools. So they can coat in like the PVC. First they will make the adhesive layer. After they make it, there's one drying oven. They will dry it. Then they again put the forming layer and then join, and also the surface layer, so we can make the sample by ourselves as per the lab scale sample, we can see. So this is one squeezing machine. This is for the oil-based PU. So in Indian market now, for PU maybe they don't have that much big FR requirement, but in China we are supply quite a lot of the halogenated as well as the halogen-free FR in PU industry. So here, this lab, there is some construction will be happening there. So here we have one twin screwer here. So we can make the sample. This is mainly for the master batch. We can make the sample, and then after the extrusion, here this is the water cooling. After the cooling, they will cut here. So you see, this is some of the master batch sample we make. Apart from this twin screwer, we have another that is for 100 kg capacity that recently they will install. So this is a rough view of our FR and smoke test lab. What we want to see is that with the support of this FR and smoke test lab, we can make the sample by ourselves. We can also do the FR and smoke relative test, so which can support customers in the formula design as well as to optimize their formula and persuade the most suitable product to customers. Thank you.